my own beloved, who has lifted me from this drear flat of earth where I was thrown, and in betwixt the languid ringlets blown a life breath, till the forehead hopefully shines out again, as all the angels see, before thy saving kiss. My own, who cam'st to me when the world was gone, and I, who looked only for God, found thee. I find thee. I am safe and strong and glad, as one who stands in dewless asphodel and looks backward on the tedious time he had in the upper life. So I, with bosom swell, make witness here between the good and bad, that love, as strong as death, retrieves